Hi, I'm Elle Lawrence, and these are my Foley sounds. For my first Foley sound, I have mouse going up the pool stick. For this one, I have a screeching voice, and I'm going to try my best to do my singing. I have it on my computer. That's when the mouse is going up the pool stick. For this next Foley sound, I used my phone, the corner of it, to create a sound that would affect pool balls hitting the side of a pool table. For my next Foley sound, I have candle and nail polish. For this one, it's the scene where the mouse is getting hit with the pool balls. We have a candle and nail polish. I slide and as you can hear here. In my next Foley sound, I have a candle scraping back and forth from my desk. This scene is when the pool ball is going through the tube chasing the mouse. For my last Foley scene, I have when the cat is putting 3 pool balls on the table and then adding one later. I used 3 nail polishes to go down at once and then added the last one, as you can hear here. And those are my Foley scenes of the Tom and Jerry clip. Thank you very much for watching.